Alright guys, so today I'm going to work on the Ultra Classic 2017. Obviously these are not twin cooled, so they have an oil cooler down behind the front tire here. From the factory they come with this plastic thing, shroud, but it doesn't cover the fins on the cooler. Harley sells a chrome metal cover, but it doesn't fit the Ultra Classic. It fits all big twin bikes without lower fairings. You can see the difference here. This one has got an indentation here for the lower fairing. This does not. In the shop I've seen the CVO Street Glides with lower fairings, obviously, and they have a painted version of this that seems to basically have the same part, but they've cut some of this away to clear the lower fairing. So that's what I'm working on today. I've already got the old one off. You just pop it off on the bottom with these little rubber grommets here, and it slides off the top. Pretty simple. I've already got the lower bracket on for the new piece. You take these old screws out and then bolt this new bracket on with these new screws. And so we're just going to take it slow. I've already taped up everything in here so I don't scratch it trying to fit it. So I'm going to start by just cutting a little bit of this off and fitting it a little bit at a time, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so it's done got dark on me now, but I about got this fit up. I've already got it taped off here, but getting the light here where you can see. So cut this area out here on the left side, or on the right side of the bike. Then had to make a cut here to clear the left side fairing. You see I got it all taped up. I'm going to leave a little bit of edge here. I'm going to spray paint it black, I think, just to keep it from rusting, since I've taken the chrome off from that edge there. I used a cut-off wheel to cut some of the big stuff out, and then a couple different bits with my Dremel tool here, and then finished it off with this stone here and make it nice and smooth, get all the burrs off. One thing to mention is before I started cutting, I put a couple layers of duct tape all over the chrome here, and then marked on top of that. That way when I was cutting, if something did happen, I wouldn't ding the chrome that I didn't want to mess up there. So that worked pretty good. Biggest thing is you just got to take your time. I probably had it on and off 15 times. Just cutting a little bit at a time, mark it, cut a little bit at a time. But it's fits pretty good, so we'll get this painted up and get it installed and let you see what it looks like. Alright guys, I've got it all painted now. Just to mention, I used some fine line tape underneath here just to make a nice crisp line. You can kind of see the resemblance here. Since this was indented here, I had to, this takes care of where the fairing is. And the other side here, I didn't have to do a whole lot of cutting, just to mention that. So I'll get this all untaped. We'll take a look. Alright, so I got it all untaped. This is the fine line tape I was talking about. I had one or two spots that kind of bled through. Real easy to fix. Just get you some carburetor cleaner or something like that before it cures really hard, and then just wipe it off. But you can see it. Made sure to get it coated right here on the back side, good, to kind of seal it up where we ground chrome off. But I think it looks good. You'll notice I got a little bit of paint on the outside here. That was somewhat intentional. I got a little bit too much there, but you're not going to be able to see this once it's on the bike, unless you're down there up underneath it looking for it. But we'll see if we can get it mounted up here and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so got it all installed, and show you what it looks like. So it's obviously done got dark on me, but you can see it down there. I still got the tape on there. I'll go ahead and pull that off. I just put this on here while I was working so I didn't scratch my paint on my fender. So yeah, got it all on there. Light's really bright. You can see how I got it all fit up in here. Still got some clearance there on the fairing for any vibration or wind. One thing to note, I put some blue Loctite on these 4 screws here to hold this on. They're pretty tight the first couple times you put them on, but taking them on and off, the threads have gotten kind of worn in, I guess you'd say. But anyway, they're not going to come off with some blue Loctite on there. You'll still be able to get it off. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. Took me a couple hours off and on doing some other stuff, but I'm happy with it. Looks good. Got a little more protection now for the oil cooler, and it looks better. Black plastic piece. So appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Have any questions, let me know. Thanks.